In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a navigation menu in Wix Studio. If you've just started building your website on Wix Studio, you might be considering how to effectively guide your visitors using a well-structured navigation menu. Whether it's for a business site, a personal blog, or a portfolio, an intuitive and polished menu is key. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your site in the Wix Studio editor. This is your control center for designing and managing your website. Once inside the editor, navigate to the left side of your screen and click on Add Elements, followed by Menu and Search. Here you'll find a variety of menu styles such as horizontal, vertical, or even the popular hamburger menu. Choose the style that best fits the design of your website. When you've made your selection, simply drag the menu into the header or any other preferred location on your site's layout. Once your menu is in place, it's time to edit the menu items. Click on your menu and proceed by choosing Manage Menu. This option allows you to add, reorder, or even remove menu items based on your site's navigation needs. If you want to add new pages, links, or anchors, just click on plus Add Item. It's a simple process. Drag items to reorder them to fit your desired structure. Additionally, if you're interested in organizing your items into drop-down menus, you can achieve this by nesting items under one another. This not only keeps your navigation tidy, but also enhances user experience. Now let's move on to customizing the design of your menu so it aligns with your overall site theme. Click on your menu again and select Design, followed by Customize Design. Here you can adjust a range of visual elements. If you feel like changing the font to better match your branding, you can do that here. The same goes for the text color. It's a great way to ensure readability and aesthetic harmony with your site's design. Furthermore, you can tweak the background color of the menu to make it stand out or blend in as you see fit. Lastly, explore the options for hover and active styles. They provide a subtle but effective way to indicate which page a visitor is on or hovering over, adding to the navigational clarity of your site. That's it for today's tutorial on adding and customizing a navigation menu in Wix Studio. By following these steps, you can create a navigation menu that not only suits your site's style, but also enhances user navigation. Feel free to experiment with different styles and designs to see what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on maximizing your Wix Studio experience.